feel like today nobody's gonna come. Hopefully I'm wrong, but you know, it's just a feeling. Go out west, our feeling. Yes. Okay. Now we're working on this. And then this is not running. Okay. I think I should put this is not running here. This is not running. And that's because, let's check. Is it the cooldown? It shouldn't be the cooldown because cooldown is false. Cooldown. Let's see. Yeah, cooldown is false. Equals false. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If it's not cooldown, then the issue is in if instance is valid. Okay. This one is returning false. And if it's false, it doesn't go ahead. So the way to fix this is by every time it's run, it says find object for object in enemy list if the instance is valid. Okay. It gets the position of it, and then if projectile position closest enemy. Okay. Let's see. For object in enemy list, for object. What if we make the let me see. What if we do a signal await get tree create timer, give it the 0.2 to timeout. Let's see. Okay. It's not working. Why is it not working? Let's type in here something. So let's say in here print shoot range is being set. Okay. Run it again. Okay. So if instance is valid, if object position is bigger than shoot range, if instance is valid. What if the instance is valid? What if I tab this up? Let's see now. Okay. Still doesn't run. Interesting shit. There's something I'm not understanding. Let's see. For object, so this shoot range is being set at. Let's clear some of the print functions, because this is working. This is working fine. It's starting here, and each second it's shooting, so it's working pretty fine. Let's see. Let's remove these. And let's check this. Okay. There's no need for this, obviously. And then let's bring this down one time. So it's the same as the way. Let's run it again. Your change is being set. Projectile. If object position is bigger than shoot range, close is the object. That makes sense. Okay. That makes sense. But let's fix the rocks thing. It's we don't need this anymore because we figured out the issue. We just need to fix the collision. Make it circle. Make it a bit bigger. Let's run it again. Let's see. Nice. Not nice. Episode sub will drop in 3 minutes. 51 seconds. Fuck yes, dude. Fuck yeah. Okay. I will rewatch it later. 10 out of 10. So every time this bullet function is getting called, object, let's just say, let's print the closest enemy. If I'm not mistaken, this should print the same. Okay. Rock 1, rock 2, rock 3. Though I feel that screen should be further away. Dude, these are not the correct objects currently. And the turret is 10 times the size. The turret is 10 times the size. If I normalize it, it's back to this size. Just for the testing sake. But it's definitely gonna be smaller. Yeah. We'll make sure that the camera is a lot further. And like you can see your ship. And especially like because there is gonna be bigger ships. So you have to be able to see the difference in size. When you choose 2, it works fine. When you choose 1, it's not fine. The issue is here. Okay, after it's setting the object, Okay. I could just put it here. Shoot range 500. And remove this. No. Yeah, turret is auto aim. Turret is auto aim. But that's the problem. It's auto aim, but it's not working. Oh, putting it behind the. Okay, yeah, my bad, my bad. Wonder if this works. Let's see. Nice. It shoots at the closest object. So this. Oh, that one? And this one. Let's see again. This, and this. Nice. We did it. Let's go. Okay. Let's try again. Let's put this as closest. This one a bit further. This one a bit further. This one a lot further. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one is out of the range. Okay. What if we... Wait, is it the collision? Let's check. Collision. Hey, Sonic. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing, my friend? Try it out with moving objects. That's true. We can check that. We can check that. Let me increase the collision for 1 second and see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now try it with moving objects. Now we try it with moving objects. Where was the code for moving objects? This was the code. Okay, target player. Should be moving, shouldn't it? Wait, how did we turn it off? Collision, rock. Health stats. Already get G. Print player. I'm doing it right, my friend. I'm doing it right. I'm just glad. I have been working on this since yesterday, so I'm glad I actually managed to do this. Faster projectiles. I mean, the distance is gonna be a lot smaller later, so okay. Just for Ronin, gonna make it 12,000. True. Yeah, just for the sake of Ronin. Now it shoots like a machine gun. Let's see. It had so many issues, the turret. Like, one of the biggest issues was the fact that it was the look at episode dropped. Nice. Nice. I would absolutely suggest you go watch it. Yeah, go enjoy it. 10 out of 10. Let's see. What about making the rotation smooth? Hmm. That could be done. That could be done. Let me see. So the look at function, what it does is let me see if I can do this. Because look at target global position. Could say rotation. Not a function, but is a float. Rotation, target, global position. Wonder if this works actually. One second, let's test this out. No, this doesn't work. Because it's a float. Okay. Rotation equals this. Wonder if this one works then. Where is it? Distance to. Yeah, we need math for that. But I'm trying to see if we can make it in the simplest form. Function distance to not found in base self. What do you mean? Rotation is rotation to distance to target. Okay. Cannot find property distance to on base float. Okay. This cannot be done this way. Wait, let me reset this. And we can comment it and then work on something new. So let's comment this. And then we say, let's see. What we can do is rotation equals move toward from float to delta float. Well, from current rotation to how do we get it to float? What if we do this? Rotation, move toward rotation, directional angle. Let's put this down. Direction angle. Okay. With the speed. Let's identify speed up till up. Var speed equals, let's say, 400. This might work, this might not work. I have no idea, actually. Still very snappy. Okay, what if I make it 50? Are we using lookat function anywhere else? No. Let's try again. You know what I should do here? See if enemy, if target, right? If target, if is instance valid target does not equal true, so it means it's dead. Then it removes it from the enemy list. Just in case the enemy has like a lot more health. Yep. This fixes it. Okay. But rotation, move toward rotation, direction, angle. weightless. Can we pass delta here? Shit. Let's pass delta here. Delta. But delta is not. Okay, let's put delta here. Wonder if this works. Delta. Yeah, this doesn't work. Okay. And 1.16. If I'm not mistaken, this is the math for it. Let's remove delta from here. And remove it from here. Let's see. Nope, we broke it. Okay. We broke it. Man, let's just let it be snappy. It's okay. We can figure it out. We can. I'm gonna comment here and say, if possible, make it move toward the enemy, then shoot. So it doesn't feel snappy. We can come back to this. And I'm gonna add it to the list. Let's see. For later. And we say make turret less snappy. Now that's for future. For now, let's just do our own stuff. Let's see. Don't let math discourage you. It's not that the math is the problem, it's that it's gonna be taking some time to do this, and it would be better for us to start something that contributes to the project to go forward more than, you know, being still stuck on the turret. Because I've been stuck on the turret since yesterday. And I would rather move forward now. Let's move this. And launch enemy. Okay. Let's run this again one more time. Just double checking. Nice. Let me put the marker a bit higher. Right. Nice. Ish. Now this one is done. Let's actually make. Where is it? Where was it? Okay, we have enemy turret. Not enemy turret. This is the turret AI. I can say it's complete. The enemy is decent. Let's work on health and shield system because it's simple. Let's see. Scripts. Let's turn off the tests. Now, the health system needs to receive damage and gonna be on the base of the enemy. If I'm not mistaken, that would be the best possible thing. And then let's see. We have hit detector. No, we did not make any hit detectors. Let's make the collision layers for it first. 2D render, 2D physics. 2D physics, okay. Enemy object collect a bullet turret. And we say hitbox, which is the what receives the code for the hit. And then I guess bullets can be just bullets. You don't need to change it to artbox. You could call it damage, I guess. Hitbox, hitbox, hurtbox. We're gonna keep it bullet. Keep it as a bullet. And now we create an area 2D. Call it hitbox. Add a collision layer to it. Okay, we don't need I'm not gonna add collision layer to it now, because in the future we might have different kind of ships. So some of them might have, what do you call it? A rectangular shape, or like different spaceships. That's as simple as it is. It would look different, and like the basic collisions wouldn't work. So it's better to just avoid this and just call it hitbox. And now we go to scenes, reusables, and put it here. Now we attach a script to it. Does it need a script? No, it does not need a script. All it needs is proper collision layer, which is hitbox, and it interacts with let's see, interacts with bullets. That's the least thing, I think. And interact with bullets. Yeah, because bullets is basically the hitbox. So now we go back to the rock to smell what the rock is cooking. Actually, let me go to the base in base. Instance hitbox, and then the node. Bullet is area 2D, right? Let me check. Bullet. Yeah, bullet is area 2D. It's always area 2D gonna be. So we can just say area 2D. Area shape area entered. Okay. Connected here. On hitbox area entered area. Now we check if area has damage, has node, has method, has signal. No, we just can say if area dot damage no, we don't need this. Oh, actually, we just can do this. If area dot damage, if current health does not equal 0. Health, current health minus equals area dot damage. This is the simplest way to write a hit detector. This is the simplest way. So it checks if current health does not equal 0, introduces the health. That's as simple as it is. And maybe I should just do it in the other way, actually. If current health minus area damage, then it checks because... Yeah, actually, that makes more sense. Okay. Let's take this, leave this, put this here, and then we say queue free. And let's see. Stats shield. In here, then we can do what is called current shield. No. How to calculate it so that the shield is kind of like an extension out of the health. So if you can one-shot the enemy with their shield, it would one-shot rather than the shield would take the damage. Let's say first we have to say shield, current shield minus equals area damage. Area damage. Dude, come on. Area damage. Oh, my bad. Minus equals area damage. If current shield is smaller or equals 0. Okay. Now the way we do it is, let's see. Let's use a new variable. Var holder, I guess, equals current shield minus area damage. Okay. If holder. Okay, we have to do both actually. First we say this current shield minus equals area damage, and then the holder puts the damage that was dealt, which is this. If current shield is lesser than this, then we say current health minus equals holder. Okay. And then yeah. So this current shield let's see. Here it says the shield. Okay. It says that the shield should take damage. So if we have 50 shields and it gets hit by 25, then the result is 25. If we get hit again by 25, the result is 0. Now if you get hit again by 25, the result is going to be minus 25. Which means the holder is always taking it. Now unless the shield becomes 0 or lesser than 0, then the rest of the code runs. Okay? And once the rest of the code runs, which basically says the holder, which is an integer. So in here, the shield is destroyed, let's say, and what is left is 25, minus 25. So if it's minus 25, it's gonna be minus 25 health. Okay, nice. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. Okay, let's give some shape here. Let's put a rock here. Where's the rock? You smell what the rock is cooking. I don't know why it's stuck in my mind. Do you smell what the rock is cooking? Now we don't need this kind of collision. We just need this collision. Add child. Collision shape. Make it 2D. Okay. Now the hitbox already detects, or it knows it's a hitbox, and it detects bullets. Now this doesn't make any difference unless the enemy shoots itself, which shouldn't happen. Hey Mantas, welcome to the stream, my friend. How are you? How are you? How is your day going? Let's delete these. And let me just double check actually. It was in a group called enemy. Okay, let's delete these. How's your day going, my friend? And let's add enemy base to group enemy. Okay, now we go back here. Let's instance enemy base, another one, another one, another one, another one. If that's enough. And let's nuke. Let's nuke these and see now. Let's just double check everything is fine. So these are in this kind of group. And do you have any health? Did you put it in the enemy base scene? No, we didn't put anything here. Let's select all of them. Go to resources and give them a small enemy. Now, small enemy has 100 health. We're gonna give it 20 health as well, 20 shield. Let me just double check. They all share the same thing. Yeah, 20, 20, 20. Okay, so the rest should be the same as well. Now we can just... Now we can easily... Now we not... we go... Where's the bullet? Okay. Bullet doesn't have damage. Bullet has to have damage. For now, we're just gonna put the export variable here, and then we can later change it with the var damage. And for a starter, let's... Oh, it's on integer. My bad. Integer. Okay. Now bullets has to collide with enemy, object, and with hitboxes. And it's a bullet. So now we say... Let's give it 25 damage. Okay. And in the enemy base, every time it's gonna get hit, I want it to say damage, print area damage, and I want it to... No, we actually know the area damage. We don't need to check this. What we need to check is... Let's check it in the end here. Let's say... For a starter, let's do it less damage. Because we gave them 20 shield. This shit slaps. I told you, dude. I absolutely told you. It's fucking insane. Yep. It cannot get any better. It's absolutely amazing. Let's print current health here. Current health. Let's print current shield as well. Current shield. Oops. Current shield, current health. Now, if I'm not mistaken, it should run fine now. No. Why no? Why? Give me turret. If body's in group. Oh, okay. Because it's checking for body. Now enemy base. We have to put it on enemy. I guess it should be colliding with other enemies and other players. And with the world. Sounds, animation, translation, all top tier. The only flaw there is that first it's way too short. Yes. It's way too short, dude. It's I was really hyped that it was gonna be a half an hour. But it was not. I got bamboozled. I kind of okay. Body Q free. We don't need this. Pass. Let's see. Now everything should be working fine. Okay. There's an issue immediately that we can see is because the enemy should take so 100 120 means it would take 15 hits to die. Right? How much damage did I put? Bullet 15. So it should take like 8 hits, but now they're dying in 2 hits. So let's see. Let's print holder. Okay, so minus 10. It shouldn't be minus 10, should it? Unless it got hit by 2 bullets. Did it get hit by 2 bullets? Let me clear it. 1, 2. So 2 bullets. Minus 15. Okay, oh, okay, minus 10 is the holder, okay? Makes sense. The shield is 5, health is 100. Okay? Now this is the first bullet. Second bullet hits. And oh, okay. Okay. Current health. Current shield, current health. If current health does okay. What a fucking potato. Current health is smaller or equals 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. What? If current health. If current shield is smaller or equals 0. Why is the health going higher? What? Minus. What the fuck? Oh, because minus. Okay, okay. I have to say plus holder. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, dead. 1, 2, 3, dead. Wait, this is wrong as well. Okay, it shouldn't be like this. Because for holder, current shield equals current shield minus 0. Oh, okay, the issue is this. It's applying the last time's current shield, I guess. What we have to say is this. Var holder equals area damage. So now we can just say minus. Okay. This should fixes it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Now this works fine. Let's remove this. Now here would be the whatever we want to write. Death code. And let's see. This is not important. Ah, we remove the chase. Okay, makes sense. Let's use the chase function again. Oh, hey, Jen. Welcome to the stream. Delta. How is your day going, my friend? How are you? How are you? Let's run it again. Beautiful. I like how the AI is very smart. I like that. Okay, now I want to see if we can make it even better. Okay. So we have this timer start. What if we make it 0.2? Does this work? Yeah, it works. It absolutely works. Let's go. Nice. Nice. 0.2. And let's let me do this. And let me add the enemy base. Enemy base. Where is the enemy base? Enemy base. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay, what's the issue? Getting this on base shit. Okay, okay. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Let's just remove this. We don't need this. Now that we have the shields, we have the health. What is stuff we had to work on? Guess what you should have? Math. Hey, Ismail. Welcome to the stream. Math. What kind of math? So this is good. I guess now we start actually working on making the main character, the player. And here we go. This guy has shipped a GD, which is a very basic input velocity, input direction. Okay, we don't need this anymore. We don't need this. This works just fine. And this is for testing purpose. Put this down, move on slide, look at global mouse position. Okay, this looks nice. I think I should put this in function process. I have been told that it's best to put this here. Okay, and bullet spawn. Let's close these. Ish. Okay. Now this works decent. No complaints. Okay, let's actually then save branch as scene. Go to scenes. Call it player. No, call it ship 1. Ship 1. No, folder name is player, I guess. Player. And then the scene name is ship 1. Ship 1. Okay. Now we go there and call this ship 1. Right, the sprite is invisible. Ship 1. Go back down. It's just the turret be slow but homing missiles. I guess okay. We're gonna have different kind of turrets, that's for sure. This one looks more like a machine gun. Let's just make sure this is... I didn't break this. Yeah, I didn't break it. This already looks fun. Nice. Close. Enemy base. Let's make sure it's floating. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now the bullets is working fine and dandy. Homing missiles would have a different kind of code. I wonder if its code would be inside the missile itself. Yeah, the code itself would be inside the missile itself. So let's actually make it here. Okay, before that, let's go back to resources. Enemies. Create a new folder. Call it weapons. And weapons are gonna... we have skills. That's a weird name for skills. Okay. I think we should have weapons as well. Call it weapons makes more... Is it skills? Okay. Skills seems wrong. I feel like you wouldn't call... Yeah. This is wrong. You don't put this here. You put it in... create a new script. And inherits... resource. Okay. It's an empty object. And it's called... we have skills, stats, and weapons. Okay. Create weapons. Weapons would be class name. So like class name. I guess we should name it rockets. And then class name rockets. Okay, let's say bullets for now. Let's say call it weapons for now, I guess. And we can change this later in case we have stuff to improve on. Export var damage, which is an integer. Export var type, which is a string for now. I should make it a drop-down menu. That would make more sense. Export var damage type var level. Should be an integer again. Damage type level fire rate. Export var fire rate, which is a float. Damage type level fire rate. Okay, that's all I can think of for now. Now we go back to. Now we make a new scene. We should make a bullet scene. What is this? Where is this saved? Is it in here? Bullet. Yeah, it's in the test. Okay. I guess we can make. Oh, okay, we can write speed as well. Weapons. Export var speed. Okay, speed is an integer. Speed. we should do size now. Okay, let's do size. Var size. Size is I think it's a vector. Right? It's a vector too. Let's 1 second. Transform. Yeah. Okay. Now this is epic. Now we come back here and weapons, create a new resource weapon, call it rockets. Okay. Let's call it rocket 1. Let's call it small rocket. Save. Now a small rocket. We're gonna start working on it. Let's first make the base scene, which we can just inherit from and for future references. Change this to weapons base. Okay, save this to reusables. Scenes, reusables, save. Now, do we attach script to it? Yeah, we should attach script to it. And then make it go back here. Where is it? Sorry. Texture scripts. Reusables. Okay, put it here. And let's delete this. Let's say export var stats equals resource. Now we can just add a resource here, which would have all the stats that we need. And then I wonder if we use. We can try this. We can try the same thing that we wrote here. In this. And I'm gonna comment this. And in here, I'm just gonna use the small rocket. Change the damage to 15. And let's test this. Okay. It breaks. Which means damage on area to deep bullets. Okay, yeah. That's what I thought. Now we could just easily come back to scripts, weapons. I guess copy this. And go back to bullet. Paste this here. And then we can take the damage. var damage. Put it here. Delete this. Var damage equals stats dot damage. Damage. Spread maybe. Oh, bullet spread. That doesn't sound bad. What is the issue? Damage on base. Well, get index damage on base area to D. Oh, it's the issue that... Okay. Let me move myself out. Try it in. Valid index damage. Area shield. Okay, I guess we have to put the... Let's copy this. Delete this. This makes more sense, I guess. Already var. Run again. Beautiful. Spread. Spread is not a good... It's not a bad idea. Type. Let me put a space between these. Export var spread, which is an integer. Now I wonder if we could just make a small for loop and add childs for it. You see, this is the issue when you're not working like directly. You just keep adding stuff and going left and right. It's fun though. It's fun. I absolutely love this. It allows me to be creative. Now, for the sake of argument, we're not gonna put anything here other than, let's say, var spread. Okay. And then we say, in here before this, we say for I in bullet, no, in bullet spread, for I in bullet spread, get parent add I. Wait, so bullet for I in bullet spread. Or maybe we should put this. Okay, let's test this one. Let's test this. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work, but let's test this anyways. Okay, let me remove. We don't need these. All we need is another already var spread, and then we say spread equals stats dot spread. I don't know why it feels like I'm writing spread wrong. Could be just my imagination. Nice, it crashed. I love when I know it's gonna be crashing, but I'm just doing it anyways. Yes, I know. Back bullet here. I wonder if this one works. No, this one doesn't work. Okay. So what we have to do is set this to here. Spread equals var spread, and for I in spread. Get parent add child bullet. Okay, what's the issue now? Let's see. Unable to rotate to an object of type nil. Okay, already var. Make it an integer. And go back to bullet. Spread stats spread. Why? Maybe I'm mistaken something. Turret for I and spread. For I and 10. That's what happens. If I equals spread, does not equal spread, I guess. I plus. Why am I typing? I'm typing like I'm coding in C++. Plus equals 1. What if we take this? Put this here. Put this. What am I doing? Spread equals 0. And remove this. Is it shooting twice now? No, it's shooting once. Okay. Now if we go back to the bullet and we give it spread of, let's say 5. Now are we shooting 5 bullets? No, I'm doing something wrong again. If spread does not equal bullet spread, I mean, it's obvious it doesn't. Yeah, okay, that does not. Okay. Yeah, I mean, dude, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking when I wrote this. Yeah, this literally does nothing. Okay. You wanted to say while spread. While spread does not equal bullet spread. No. Is this true? No, no worries, dude. No worries. I'm the potato here. Spread plus equals 1. Okay, this should be. Am I imagining, or is he shooting twice? I'm gonna say print spread. It rotates from 1 to 5. That makes no sense. Okay, let's just increase the cooldown to 1 second. Maybe we can see this a bit better. No, this is not working. This is not working. How do we make it? How do we make a loop so it spawns more than one? Or maybe it's no, it's not. No way, it's spawning more than one. What's the issue here? Can add bullet to test scene? Already has a parent test scene. Oh, okay. Okay. Can add child bullet to scene. Godot for how to make shotgun spread. Okay, I have to put this on the other screen. I don't think I'm allowed to stream other people's content. That sounds a bit immoral. Process count of input action UI select. For angle in 1, 2, 3, 4. For bullet. Instance rotation. Child bullet list. Okay, let's say for bullet. Okay. I apologize, guys. I'm just watching a video. Okay. Okay, so the way he did it was by before adding this. Okay. Before adding this, let me delete this. Let me delete these. Bring this back down. Okay. What he did, what he said was basically for angle in open bracket 0 minus 0 0.1 0 0 0.1. Okay. And then he did this. Cooldown is true. I wonder if I should put cooldown outside. If instance, okay, I'm gonna put this. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything with this right now. Let's see what happens. And let's say bullet rotation. Rotation plus angle. Plus angle. That's the only thing he did. Other than this, everything is very much similar to mine, I believe. Let's see. Okay, maybe I'm shooting too fast. Let's change the speed for a second, just to make sure. No. Close. Turret. I'm gonna make this 5 and 5. What if I make it 5 and 5? So it's a bit bigger. Okay. This looks a lot better. Let's make it 20 and 20. Fuck it. 200. Well, 2000. No. None of this is working. Did you add health to the rocks? Yes, I did. I added health and I added shields as well. Added both. For angle in Streak 3x. Welcome, Robin. How are you doing, my friend? How is your day going? Thank you for coming to the stream. I appreciate that. What if we make it 20,000? What if we make it... I'm gonna pick up this one and I'm gonna put it here. With the if statement. Outside the for loop. Okay. 20k is a lot. So let's make it 2,000 again. He's shooting 3 bullets, but it's so fucking small I can't see it. I'm gonna make it even smaller. And I'm gonna zoom in. Edible children. Camera. Make it 0.6. No, we need even higher. Make it 1. Why is this not changing? Why? It's because the truth. Yeah, okay. Look at this. I think this has to be here. Okay, we broke it. Why did we break it? Victor 2 and input operation. Okay. For angle in minus 2000, 0 and 2000. What if we say Victor 2, 200, 0, is minus. This one is 0. This one is 200. Yeah. No worries. Why is it switching? It's because I zoomed in too much. 0.6. What if we give them more speed now? Why are they colliding? Bullets. Bullets should not feel other bullets, right? Yeah, bullets should not feel other bullets. Why is it? Okay. Nice. What do you think, Sonic? Maybe a bit less speed so we actually can see what the fuck is going on. Let's give it 2500. Not too fast, but not slow. Seems like it's working, but it's not working at the same time. Nice. Nice. But how do we make it modular? Now that's the real question. For angle in vector. Okay. So I guess what we do is this is an array. So if we make for angle and spread, put spread here equals target dot spread. Okay, if instance is not valid, we just spread takes it, which is an array, and oh yeah, we don't need this obviously. What is this? Cannot assign a value of type int. Okay, now we go back to the weapons. We change this into an array. And then in bullet, we say spread equals stat spread. And in bullets, we open this and we can add as much elements as we want, and depends on how many elements it is. It's gonna be going crazy. So it's gonna be vector 2, vector 2, vector 2, vector 2, vector 2. Let's say 300. No, it has to go from the minus 300, minus 200, 0, 200, 300. Okay. Let's run again. Okay, it crashed. Why did it crash? Invalid get index spread on base. Invalid get index spread on base. Character body enemy. Oh yeah, my bad. That's actually very dumb. I guess we have to initialize it. Is it okay if I initialize it outside? Hopefully there's no issue. That's why naming convention is important. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Trying to assign a value of type null to a type of array. Why is it null? No. What if we type damage here? Is it because it's trying to assign before it's spawned? So maybe spread should be on the turret itself rather than the bullet. Right? Yeah, I guess that makes a bit more sense. If the spread is not here. And it's rather somewhere else. I guess that makes a bit more sense. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. And let's go back to the turret. Now we should pick this one up back again. Put here. And spread would be an export variable, I guess. Where is spread? Spread is an array. Let's make it just an export array. So now we go in turret, array. Can add as much as we want and depend on what kind of upgrade. So in this case, I guess we have to make a resource script, call it turrets. This is for all turrets. Resources, scripts, turret, save, resource, create, turrets, class name, turret. And first modifier would be obviously var fire rate. Export var array. Yeah, fire rate would be an integer. No, it would be a float. Add export var name, which is a string. String skills, no. String export var. What else do we have? Export var. Shit. Export var tier. Be an integer. We can work on this later. Let's just go back to turret and pick the arrays. Give me Victor 2, Victor 2, 2, vector 2. Okay. Minus 300. 0.